What else do you think that can be done? Because we said ignorance, proximity to the courts, we have talked about lobbying. You need also now to lobby, to increase the number of courts, because that is the best you can do. Can you employ caddies? Even if you employ them, they will not be accepted by the judiciary. Only the judiciary can employ, the Judicial Service Commission. So the best you can do, lobby for
more courts.
More courts and caddies. And personnel. So the courts without personnel, it's useless. So lobby. Now who do you lobby? Farah, who do you lobby? Can we just hear suggestions? Who do you think you lobby? Who do you lobby?
Caddies.
Okay, the caddies themselves. Okay, say the caddies themselves, including the chief caddy. Okay, when you say caddies, he's included there. Who else do you think you should lobby?
Women, reserve executive.
No? Women?
A woman executive.
No. Lobby. Who do you talk to? Ni nani hao tutakwenda kuwashawishi tunahitaji makadi wengi?
Okay, AG.
Okay. Okay. So you can say religious scholars. Kwa sababu wao ndio watasukuma serikali, religious scholars. Okay.
MPs.
MPs.
Okay, good. Yeah, so political leaders, we call them political leaders, like our brother Abdul Karim. You know, once mheshimiwa, always a mheshimiwa, niliambiwa anakufa na hiyo title. So he's always a politician. Once mtu ashaonja haya mambo, anakufa nayo. So political leaders, the chiefs, we call this administration, the administration. The chief wanaingia chini ya administration, although chini ya katiba mpya, there might be changes, but they are important to lobby them. Who else do you think we should lobby? The Judicial Service Commission.
The registrar.
The registrar, the High Court. I think it falls under this. The registrar is here.
That's right.
The member of the
Justice
judicial.
office also there.
Okay, so we can say also Office of the Chief Justice.
And then women organizations.
Yes. Women organization like Maendeleo Wanawake. It's good. Rukia was here. Yeah, all
I mean, all
women.
women.
Yeah, women organizations like FIDA, Maendeleo Wanawake, National Council of Women of Kenya, or VAWE, that talks about cruelty against women and all those things. So these are some of the stakeholders that you need to lobby. Yeah, you need to lobby them. Washawishi, so that they can make noise. In this country, you are only heard when you make a lot of noise. If you keep quiet, nobody will hear you. So you have to make noise to be heard, and that is what we call now lobbying.
If the JSC don't respond to you on what you have lobbied,
No.
what is the next step?
There is no way you can go and report them now.
No,
Unless
but,
now
the Chief Justice.
the civil, in
Put
fact,
pressure.
the civils put pressure through the civil society.
Pressure through civil society.
No, civil society here. Mobilize the civil society, call them in a big meeting and tell them we have been lobbying for this and nothing is happening. They will put pressure. In Kenya today, even a minister is forced to resign because of pressure. Pressure peke yake inamfanya ongeri aingie ofisini imefungwa na minyororo. Siku za Moi imejaribu kufanya hivyo. Kwenda mbio sana. So use the civil society also. So you have two main jobs here for the way forward. One,
Yes,
civic education program. Two, lobby. Any other thing? You know, once I attended a meeting where the late president of Pakistan was, and we had so many objectives for the workshop, the seminar, the conference. He told us, I wish you could only take one and make sure you implement that. It will be better than many, but
Yes.
now you're not able to implement them. So sometimes it's good to come out. Like now we have two. If you could concentrate on those two, you'll have achieved a lot. One, civic education program. Two, start lobbying these different stakeholders. So you identify the stakeholders and you start lobbying them. Any other thing we want to come up with here? No? People here have come from different places. It's come from the judiciary, civil society, the society in general. We represent differently. Like she's come from the donor community and the rest. I think we need to spread this message out there. We don't just need to keep quiet. Again, we are very few here. maybe you need to get, you addressed the media today. So the media is the window through which the rest of Kenyans will know what has happened here. So it's important that you follow up with the media, but please, we don't want to be misquoted. Misquoted.
It was very clear, wasn't it?
Yeah, but because the media is very, very notorious when it comes to misquoting people, they will create controversy. So any other thing?
She also needs to come up with the IC material.
Or develop, good. You need now to start developing IC materials. Develop. Is it IC? IEC. Develop IEC materials. What does IEC stand for?
Communication.
And communication materials. So you need those. Like for example, Farah, if you develop some flyers, the chief executive officer of MLF, you develop, for example, brochures and flyers with this message. Talk to Jamia Mosque on Friday, they distribute the Friday bulletin. In every copy of the Friday bulletin, let there be a copy with the message you want to pass out. They produce every Friday 10,000 copies. You will have reached 10,000 people on a Friday. So you need to develop such material. You're talking about posters and the rest. This is the time now you should start thinking of developing these materials now. So that even bags, next time we come to a workshop like this, let people leave with a bag with a message, or a t-shirt with a message, a certain message, or a cap with a certain message. All these are IEC materials, so you need to develop. You have a job card for you. Yeah. What else? Do you think, Farah, in your view, that many people now in Kenya know what MLF is doing? So there is something there you need to do, because I ought to believe there are people who are hearing of MLF for the first time, for the second time. Not many people know about MLF and what you are doing. So maybe as a way forward also, you need to reach out to more people. Let them know about MLF and what MLF is doing. So MLF to reach out to more people. Have you tried to maybe get a slot on Iqra, East FM?
Karim said
Yeah, you need
the
to
process
do that.
of talking.
It can be through that, it can be through you organize forums whereby you just come and tell people what you are and what you are doing. So I think that would be a good forward. Now I feel like now putting now this pen and handing over to Christine now for the way forward. Thank you.
I guess what you've come up with is a responsibility for almost all of us who are here to just get together and go through the way forward. Maybe MLF Executive Director will call us again for another workshop to come and work on the way forward, or see how far you've gone with your way forward. We are all from different organizations, and this means support to MLF. So like what Ibrahim has mentioned, I want to believe that each one of us has learned something. If we've not learned anything, then we've added into what we knew. And this will help MLF to get in touch with each one of us. Because we are from different organizations, and I guess our input would be maybe, would it be needed? I guess it will be needed and it will make a difference. So thank you so much, Ibrahim. I don't think I need to add anything. You've cleared it all. I want to call Farah maybe to give us a vote of thanks or say something about the way forward. Then we can call it a day.
I'm humbled by your patience and active participation in making this workshop a success. I want to take this opportunity to really thank you for availing yourselves. I know Saturday is a very busy day, but you have all managed to take time and come. And I believe this is the beginning of a positive working relationship with all of us. I thank Ibrahim Linkomi to have facilitated the program for us. And in future, we will have more workshops and whatever has been discussed here. Thank you all very much.